In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to send an envelope using a template in Docusign Esignature. Whether you're sending contracts, agreements, or any other important forms, templates can save you a huge amount of time and help keep your workflow consistent and organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to prepare and send documents with just a few clicks. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Docusign website. DocuSign is one of the most trusted platforms for digital signatures and secure document transactions, so having an account here is essential if you deal with paperwork regularly. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click the Login button. Enter your account details to access your dashboard. After you sign in, you'll land on your main DocuSign homepage. This is where you can manage envelopes, track signatures, and organize all of your document activity. For today's task, we'll focus on the templates section. Go ahead and click on templates. Templates are incredibly useful because they let you reuse pre-designed document formats rather than setting everything up from scratch. Every time inside the templates section, you'll see a list of templates you've created or ones that have been shared with you. Once you find the template you want to use, click the Use button. This action begins the setup of a new envelope based on that template. In DocuSign, an envelope is simply the digital package that holds your documents and sends them to your recipients for signing. Next, you'll need to add the required information to your envelope. Start by entering the names and email addresses of the people who need to sign or approve the document. Double check this information carefully because even one incorrect character in an email address can prevent your recipient from receiving the document. When everything looks accurate, click Next. This brings you to the document preparation page where you can review the signature fields, initials, dates, and any other elements included in the template. Make sure each field is placed correctly on the document so your recipients know exactly where to sign. Once you've reviewed all the details, click the button that confirms your selection. Your envelope is now ready to be sent. DocuSign will deliver an email notification to your recipients with a direct link to open, review, and sign the document. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent an envelope using a template in DocuSign Esignature. This method not only saves time, but also makes your workflow much more efficient. Templates help reduce errors, maintain consistency, and simplify the entire signing process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to help you get the most out of DocuSign.